Hey, this is Mike with RPS Solar Pumps. One of our systems was recently featured in an amazing documentary about the oldest and largest botanical garden in Arizona, the Boyce Arboretum. 6,000 desert plants were moved there in an extension of the Arboretum over 3 years. They picked an RPS 400 to pump from a cistern up a 60-foot hill to the top of a cliff, where they created a beautiful working water feature to hydrate the wildlife and educate visitors on the possibilities of solar power in the desert.
As you come through the entrance, it's deserts of the world, and then you go through the yucca forest. You've got the Chihuahuan Desert, the Mojave Desert, and then up the hill is the Sonoran Desert, and then it's a kind of a mixed area, just a mixture of all the deserts, and then one encounters the agave area. Once you get to the top of the ridge into the African section, then as you head back down, there's a little Baja section, and then a mixed cactus and succulent area. And as you come back around, it's just kind of a mixture. There's a small South American section.
The grotto area is the last area of the Wallace to be completed.
Boyce is using a brushless DC helical pump, just like the one you see here. Using this pump, Boyce is moving water from the cistern, located here, all the way over to the waterfall, located over here.
I'm looking at the water level, and the flow looks good. The pump is working.
The source of the water is about 3 or 4 miles west of here, and that solar panel operates a recycling water feature. This area gives us an opportunity to talk to children and groups in terms of education.
Since the trees and plants are turning green, more birds are coming in. Redbirds, bluebirds, quail runs, you name it. Water is life, and the wildlife, the animals, are coming after it since they know there's water.
Boyce was nice enough to let us show you a few clips of their installation. If you want to watch the full documentary, it's linked in the description below. We also have a link to the Boyce Arboretum if you want to learn more.